So here we are in KB bike shop, Loei, and the bearings of my front tire are broken, and now they are going to fix them, and well, that happened, right? So guys, if you have any problem here in when you come to Loei, I guess come here. Let's see. I'm gonna let you know after we leave how everything gonna be. But yeah, he is fixing a lot of bike, and the review are pretty good. So let me show you again the sign so you know where I am. That's the sign, KB Big Bike Shop. From outside. Bolt, gonna get some new bearings. And so here we're gonna go look now. That's where you can see that the bearings are broken. All right, okay. Putting the new bearings. Alright, it is almost done. Okay, going out to try the bike. See that everything is okay, and then we can go. And here he is coming back with the bike. Right, okay, so we are leaving after the holiday, after New Year's, and we are going to camp. We're gonna go camp near Konkan. We're gonna go try to find the spot. I saw a nice national park there. Let's see if we can camp there, if we can go camp. And then from there we're gonna see where we're gonna go. Here was very nice. So let's go camp. So see how it is. All right, okay, let's go. Let's have fun. I was saying I'm living like this because I'm kind of hot, but if it's cool, just gonna stop and put my jacket. So we fixed the bike this morning. That was good. We fixed the bearings. I thought maybe I should have us to stay maybe longer. I know I was sure really, but I knew it was the bearings. But you know, you never know until you go to the mechanic and see actually what is. So anyway, now everything is okay. So now we go. It's 10 o'clock. We lost a little bit of time this morning, but that's normal. Unfortunately, the noise started coming just yesterday, and so right away I say, I was hearing the noise just here in the front, and I say, something is like not okay, and I was right. So we're leaving a little bit late, but that's okay. We're gonna go now to Wiang National Park, I think the name is. I'm gonna put them downstairs, underneath, like always. And we're gonna go camping there. And let's see how it's gonna be. Very soon we're gonna go to Laos. We're gonna go slowly making our way up. Sometimes maybe camping and sometimes going in a few hotels. But let's go. Phetchabun 220, Konkan 185 kilometers. 185 kilometers to Konkan, but we're not gonna go all the way to Konkan. We're gonna stop much before. I would say it's about 140 kilometers from here. All right, okay. It was cold. I did really not drive so much, before having to put my jacket. I did what, 2 kilometers, and I was already cold. Look at this one. Look, oh, look at that, look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at this. This is just fantastic. It's just beautiful. All right, okay guys, so here we go camping. Wiang National Park. For an adult, 200 baht. Thai people 40 baht. Okay. Alright, okay guys, so here Konkan Geopark map. So we have space, we can go pitch the tent anywhere we want. So let's see where we go pitch the tent. There is the, I think really this looks nice here. Put the tent here. Let's see what else they have. They have the other side. And you can pitch the tent here. Cooking area. Okay, you can cook here. You can pitch your tent here. You can pitch your tent there. It's nice. Oh, nice here. Nice here. Here is nice. This is nice. Should be on the fresh most of the day here. I think. I like this. I like this. I think this is a good spot. What do you guys think? I think it's good. You got the cooking area there. You got the toilet up here. I think it looks perfectly fine here to pitch a nice tent here. And it looks nice and in the fresh. I don't think I can ask for a better place. All right, okay. We're gonna pitch the tent here. So guys, here is my tent, nice and set. So now, tonight, got my chair here, and well, I got water here. I filled up already this with water for cooking. So I have water for cooking, water for coffee. So I'm all set up now tonight here. I need to fix everything, put away, that's my stuff. And here I have all my food. About mama noodle. What mama noodle? Yeah, mama noodle spicy. About some chips. Water. About some sardines to put in the mackerel and tomato sauce. No sardines. I got some nuts here. About some nuts. You got towel there, and here I have more food, more mama noodle, and about a croissant for tomorrow morning, or maybe I eat them tonight. And here is a pineapple, a croissant filled with pineapple. That's gonna be nice, very good. So I can stay here a couple of days, really. I got food for a couple of days, and there I can buy water. Bike is gonna be parked here, so no problem. And I figured out this is a good setup. The box, then I'm gonna take them in now here. I just want to show you here the camping ground before it's gonna get dark. This I'm gonna take them on the other side. I'm gonna cook on top of that thing, so I don't need to take my table, to be honest. Today, in some places I take the table out too, but if no, I don't need. And so this is the tent, right? That's my light here still. I need to put them in. Like I say, I want to go right away so I can show you the camping ground. So this is 30 baht, and there is the toilet for the woman. That's the toilet for the man, shower and toilet and everything. There is the sink to wash dishes. And these are the tent. So if you have your own tent, it's 30 baht, and you can pretty much pitch them wherever you want. You have other places here where to pitch everything. And this instead here are the tent that you can rent practically. So you can rent this tent. They are 225 baht. They're kind of nice, I think, because you kind of can stand here. And let's see if we can see one inside. Yeah, you see, it's nothing, but it's very high, so you can like kind of stand, I think, there in. And then you have the blue. So these are 225 baht. You can rent just the tent if you have your pillow, your mattress, or you can rent everything. You can rent mattress, you can rent pillow, each item has its own price, and you practically choose whatever you want to rent. If you have everything, you just pay less. There is the coffee shop on that side that you can go. It's not coffee shop really, it's like a mini mart. Here you have another place with other tent. There you have the mini mart, the office. So everything is here. And here, let's take a walk here. Let's go see. Tatfa camping site, 14 Celsius at 6 a.m. So this morning at 6 a.m. it was 14 Celsius. Let's see if we can see now. Is the thermostat there? Let's see if it works. What it says now. Now it says 27. So this is the moisture meter. So comfortable is here. So it's dry. Yeah, it's very dry, to be honest. It's not humid at all. And here you see people park like this. If you have a car or if you have a bike, and you just rent the tent from them and you go. And this is like, I'd say like a little lake. Looks like a little lake here. I don't know if this is a river or it's like Loving Bridge. They call him the Loving Bridge. I don't know if it's you can pass here, I think. I hope so. And if it cracks, I guess I'm gonna be in the water. Okay. So you have a trail here. Let's see this trail, what it says. Sorry the noise, they are working here. They're building toilets there, how you see. And here is Pachom Tavan Nature Trail. So you can go here and go up in this trail. So here you have this place. And you can sit down and relax here, and I guess there's other people here. And so this is one way, the whole street, and you can go all around here. And you see there you have some sink to wash too, but you have sink on the other side too to wash. No plastic bags, so you cannot dump plastic bags. You see, and there you have another thing where you can sit down and relax. And so this is nice. And then here we're gonna look at our tent, and here you have the altalena. I don't know how you call this. You can swing. I don't know how you call this in English. Anyone that wants to tell me how you say this in English, you can say. But anyway, you see it's hooked up there up, and you can swing. So Wiang National Park, you can do skywatch practically because it's very nice. You should be able to see the star very good. Let's see tonight if we can do something. All right, okay guys, so here we are back at our camp, our tent. So let me clean up all this mess that I have here, maybe go take a nice shower and get ready for the night. Then I'm gonna cook something, have maybe a nice coffee. You cannot drink alcohol in the national park here, so no beer, sorry. That's the only downfall of the national park, but it's a good side too. Let me explain you, because many camping ground you find people just that drink and party the whole night, and so this is not so nice. But like this, it's very nice, it's very good, no drunk people, and you actually can enjoy very much everything. So yeah, I will be here for a couple of days, work on my video, eat. I have food for like 2-3 days, so I'm gonna be good. So all right, okay guys, so just took a beautiful shower. I can tell you that it was freezing because here most of the national park don't have, of course, hot water. They just have cold water. I mean, you have to be happy that at least you have water, right? You have a few where they have hot water. I think when I camped in Pramburi Forest, I think they had hot water. I'm not quite sure. But I know that Pechapun, yes, Pechapun had hot water. It was beautiful, actually. I was happy. But Pechapun is much more higher than here. Here, I just checked before, it's like 550 meter high, where Pechapun is like 1,700, 1,800 meter of altitude. Because, so anyway, I'm prepping now here my food. Well, I'm not prepping the food, I'm prepping here everything so I can cook later. I want to cook a little bit more early because I don't want to cook too late, because if I cook late then I cannot see good, so it's better cooking early. And so here I have my little stove. How you can see, it's beautiful. It packs very small, to be honest, so it's very good for that. And you just lift them like this and open like this, and then you open the other. I think I already showed you this, but I'm not sure, but I showed you again. I'm gonna show you again, I guess. I hope you're okay with that, if you already saw. And here you have, you see, and so that is the stuff practically in you. And then I have the windscreen. You have seen the windscreen. I think you saw all that, because if it's windy, I think when I was in Pramburi, that was very windy. And yeah, here you make like this, and now can cook, maybe make a coffee before and later I eat, or maybe eat now, but all right, okay. I don't know what I'm gonna cook really tonight. The menu is delicious gourmet menu. I have mama noodle with, I can eat mama noodle. No eggs. I forgot to buy eggs, so I have no eggs. I have mama noodle. I have a few mama noodle. I have some rice. I have some curry chicken that I can eat with rice if I want. I think that's actually what I eat the first, and the mama noodle maybe I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. Like I say, I bought the food for like 2-3 days, so I have mama noodle for 2-3 days, and then we have a little mini mart here where I can go buy water and ice as I need. So anyway, all right, okay, that will be all. No internet here, believe it or not, no internet. So, well, tonight just working and some picture, you know, editing with Photoshop some picture and maybe edit a movie, a video, and that's it, because I didn't expect that it was no internet here. In Phetchabun, that was 1,800 meters, they had internet, where here, just no internet. So, all right, okay, it is what it is, right? So, I did not download any movie to watch tonight, so no internet, no movie. So we're just gonna watch at the start tonight and work on the videos. All right, okay, guys, talk to you later. So guys, that to tell you the menu today. So it's rice, how you can see, and needs a little bit more water. And then I bought this pork Panang curry chicken. I'm gonna warm up that. And I put a tiny touch of water just to wash this. Oh. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Who says? Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This is perfect, this is perfect. So this is ready. So these are not cooked, right? This is, I just warm them up. Oh my God, this is really good. Okay, we can close this. This is, look at this. And this we're just gonna dump them on top. Oh, oh my God, guys. Let me move this a little bit. Okay. I don't know if it's spicy, but if it's not spicy, I got this. Guys, this is good. 7-Eleven, you know, you come to Thailand, 7-Eleven is good. 7-Eleven practically has everything, and prices are really good too. But now what we need to do is, I like spicy, so I need to put some spicy pepper. They ask me sometimes, people ask me here, are you Italian? And I say, yeah, why? Because they say, you eat more spicy than Thai people. And I say, I don't know. Look at this, look at this. Look at this nice. Oh. Let's see now. But the only we're missing is a beer. But we cannot do nothing for that. So, okay. Have a good night. I'll see you when I go sleep. Bye. Okay, guys. Good night. Time to go sleep. Food was good. It was cold now before coming to sleep, so I eat mama noodle, nice and hot. It was good. All right, okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Had a good night of sleep. It was cold. It was a little bit cold. Let's look here outside. This is outside. This is how it looks outside. Sun is coming out very soon and it's going to warm up because it is cold. Alright, okay guys, so making a nice coffee now here. Got my pot on top. Have a nice, master roast, nice coffee. I'm gonna do this, and for breakfast I'm gonna have a banana and so it's like pineapple fillet, but it's like a croissant. It's like something like a croissant, okay, like a tart, like something like that. Fill it up with and a banana. So this is gonna be my breakfast this morning, and that's it. Make my coffee now. Getting ready to make my coffee. I need to move this a little bit. So I'm just gonna make my coffee here, and later I don't know where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do. If I take a walk here, and if not, just working on my picture and on my video. I got lots of pictures to edit still. A lot of pictures to edit. I actually just bought Photomaster, I think it's called, or something like that. It's the equivalent of Photoshop, but I use from Apple. So I use that, and I want to see, because it works like very nicely. I like it very much how it's editing the picture. So, all right. Anyway, if I go somewhere, I'm gonna tape something, and if not, I'll see you in my next video when I leave the camp here in about maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow I'm gonna leave. Right, okay, bye. Good morning, good morning. I got everything here, no garbage, collect all my garbage. Place is clean, nice and smooth. And so we would leave, and we will dump the garbage at the first PTT or gas station that we find. We're gonna stop, and we're gonna dump all the garbage. So this was the place, nice, beautiful, how you can see, just wonderful. Wonderful place. Passed here 3 days, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 3 days. Other people collecting their bag. their everything, their tent and everything, and we going.